Oh my god, what I just saw by 25.7% fall. No, it's not a fall. It's a crash in silver, which was like continuous in rally from November, December straight up, and in just one day, it wiped out all the money, all the investments, all the long positions that people have built it. And this is the economic reset. It's not a crash, it's the brutal crash. And if you are a strong believer of uptrend, then you have to face this kind of craziest crash. It already gave you 10-20% yesterday fall. Yes, that's a warning. But still, if you see another, what a candle of one day, man, one day candle, craziest ever crash. I am saying gold 10% down, 10%. Are you like kidding me? When BTC is 83,000, 1.92%, but gold, oh my god, what is happening? Silver 26.4%, copper 5.7%. Copper is still not that much down. Like yesterday's gain was completely wiped out. That is okay, but silver, oh, like every asset class is continuously falling. If we see oil also, like it's still positive. It's still positive. That means the brutal crash, something is just getting started. And I'm not talking about some bullshit. It's a economic reset. It's the history repeating, because if you know, you know. And what I'm talking about is this gold silver ratio. It made low of 43 and now it is 56. Everything is crashing, like everything. Platinum 19.87%. Oh my god, Euro USD, okay, that is still okay, but main metals are crashing. If metal can give you so freaking high returns, then you have to must understand their cycles, because metal works in cycles, not like just like continuous upway then consolidation. No, there is no consolidation. If it's a consolidation, then it will be for long run. But when it's in the uptrend, you can't be so crazy and you can't be go all in metals. That's the reason. Yes, you can still go with the gold, but with silver, just look at the history, man. Silver's history: 2011, 2020, before that also 1975 crash. You can't go all in with silver because silver is crazy volatile. If you can't study history of any asset class, you should not blindly invest by like any Instagram random influencer or something. If they are saying like this much silver will go to, some was saying like $400, $500, but it's not like a straight rally. And if you have invested just one day ago, your total will be wiped out. How much percentage from yesterday fall? Let's see. It will be from almost 121 to 30% in a day in silver, if we can see. Okay. Now let's talk about gold. Where is it standing? Like I was studying for market crash is 13%. 30% in just 24 hours. Like this is out of the mind. Dollar is collapsing. Every currency is collapsing. What is happening? Like this is the sign of economic reset. Let me show you the study which I was studying. Yes. So what you should do. So when I made this script, when I gave ChatGPT data, like at that time silver was 21% down in the like 4 5 hours back. Right now, everything is falling when assets that normally protects you start falling together. It's not randomness. Yes, that's not randomness. It's a stress in the system. The real question is a crash coming? The real question should be, what does a rational investor do when the history starts rhyming? And what is the history saying? When the gold silver ratio goes below the average is 60, and even if it is go below 50, that is the sign that silver is too much overvalued. You should shift to gold, but right now gold is also crashing. But that is the best time for the one who was waiting for crazy crash. But that guy also, like me also, I won't go all in. Like I won't go first like blindly. Let me put just 20% of my investment portfolio. No, it's not like 20%. If, suppose that's the thing. If I had done yesterday, then from the 20%, like 10% in gold was like completely wipe out. So what is the lessons? Lessons is history, that history will repeat, repeat, repeat. And whenever you see the bubbles, FOMO type of thing, like everyone is crashing, like silver will go this just started, and everyone is talking about particular asset. Why I am saying silver, silver, silver? Because from the 1 month my friends were asking like, should I go 10% of my 1 lakh in silver? And I was like, bro, why you want to go 10%? Just go with point y to 1, like less than 1%. It's not like it will continue go up. Let it just correct, or correct 10-20%, and let it cool down, then we can start accumulating. But if you go all in it ETF, then it's not my advice, and I am not the financial advisor also. But I know the charts, I know the technicals, that the one thing which goes straight up, it will definitely go straight down. So first protect your capital now, dude. Even though if you want to invest for 10 years, just particular in silver, no. It's not like that you buy every high. No. You have to wait for that particular GSR go above 80-90, then silver will be undervalued. Then you can come and say, should I invest? And I will say, yes, that's the valuable thing. That's the value investing, if I am not wrong. But that's not the pure value investing. But love, now, let's see. Like what an investor should do, what ChatGPT is saying, the final conclusion. Reset don't happens in one day. Yes, it will take time. They unfold through first. This is volatility, policy responses, liquidity shifts. These are going narrative changes. Your job is not to predict the exact bottom. Your job is to be still be standing when it's over. Now, what is the ending saying? That every generation thinks this time is different, and every generation learns the same lesson. Market reward patience, punish confidence, overconfidence, and destroy leverage. This drop doesn't mean the system is ending. It means pressure is being released, it is getting cooled off. But no one can time the market. If you stay calm, stay diversified, stay invested, you will be survived. You will be survived. You will survive. Because you won't fear the reset. You will be ready for it. So, as an investor, be in the market. Don't be the small dumb trader. Like if you want to trade, you trade. That's okay, but don't go all in with trading. And the one thing is, understand this is a process, not a moment. If you just forget this 1 week and come after that, look at the charts, and you will be like, thank God I did not see the chart. Well, why diversify across regimes? Smart portfolios don't be one on outcome. It is like don't put your all eggs in one basket. They should be balanced. Growth asset like stocks. Stocks are not performing. You can go for that. Insurance equal to gold. Optionality, that is cash. That's your mindset, whatever it tells about cash. Then asymmetric bets, small crypto exposure, small, like whenever that silver type of metals are rising, you can go. Diversification is what lets you survive resets. And if you are in trader or short-term trader or swing trader, just ask this question. Like, am I over leveraged? That is the first question. Am I over position? My position sizing is too high, or first, wait, did I put the stop loss or the trailing stop loss of my gains? Because that's already happened with me. Like I was about 50% up on my silver ETFs, but when we will see on Monday, that is the like 30, 31st, 1, 2, then those 50% will be like, I guess 30%. So I have to also bear that, but I will be adding because my capital was very less. I did not put all in. No, not even the 1% of my investment portfolio. So I am not worried. It's like whatever you want to do, you do. Do I need forced liquidity? No. Am I betting one am I betting on one thing? No. I did not bet it all on silver. I know there are some things which are about to go up or which will go up in the future. It will take time because I can't time the market. So that's why I invested in the ETFs which were like not even a positive side, but it was like in a range. Defense ETFs, pharma ETFs. So my ETF portfolio is diversified, so I don't have to worry. I don't have to stress. But why? Because this type of yes, I have not seen. It is like just 10 minutes, I guess. No, not even a 10 minutes. 5 6 minutes, and it is 28.84%. Silver is like crazy. Like, just dude, look at this candle. This is not a 5 10 minutes candle, it's a daily candle, man. $81.38, and it is still getting down, down, down. This is the freaking Flash Friday sale. But for the Indian market, you can't even invest. Like, you can't capture this bottom also. You can't invest in this type of 30% dip because that market is closed. But that is okay. That's the different thing. But silver, silver, silver. So the one who was like in a FOMO, if he see this video or if he see this type of chart, he will be like, oh my god. uh the silver was 29 December, it was around $85. Right now it is 82.26. So like it is exactly 1 month, and 1 month's gain, how much gain was there? Total gain from that particular consolidation to continuous up, 70% gains just wiped out in 1 day red candle. Like 1 day, and your last 30 days of hard work just went in red, red, red. So that's why if you want to invest, then this is like no need to worry. It's a very good time to buy. No, I won't say good time to buy, but like it is not overvalued and you're not entering at exit top. But this will be like so much more volatile from now because it stayed above $100 for like 4 5 days, and after that it also needs to get cool off. So what an investor should do, that I already told, that ChatGPT already told. Other than that, this type of crashes will come, and if, and who knows, this is the economic reset or something like that, or something is getting to get busted. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Till then, stay invested, stay patient, and that's it. बाकी enjoy करते रहो.